Hi, for my prospective employer, I'm Archel Erinia, 41 years old, and I am single. I am a Filipina living in the Philippines in Rodriguez Rizal, which is in Manila. I have 7 siblings in the family, and I am the second eldest. I studied and trained as a professional caregiving in the Philippines for 6 months. I work as a private caregiver in different cases for almost 5 years in the Philippines, and here in Hong Kong, I have been working as a private caregiver for 4 years now. I am experienced and skilled in caring for the elderly and sick patient. I can handle the responsibilities which is assigned of me and keep things organized. I am honest, responsible, patient, caring, trustworthy, hardworking, and reliable at work. If you choose me, I promise to do my best to help and taking care of your family in the future. Thank you.